Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and today I'll show you how to delete your YouTube account while keeping your Google account safe, all on a Windows PC. First, open your preferred browser and go to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed in with the account you want to delete. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then choose settings from the drop down. Then select advanced settings under your account options. After that, scroll down and click delete channel. You may be asked to enter your password again for verification. From here, you'll see options to either hide your content or permanently delete your YouTube channel. Choose delete channel to remove your YouTube account while leaving your Google account intact. Finally, confirm your choice and wait for the deletion process to complete. YouTube account will now be removed from your Google account while the Google account remains active. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.